Hey, it's Justine, and today we have a really fun video for you. I partnered with Aiper to show you their Scuba X1 Pro Max. Now, this is one of the most advanced smart pool cleaners. It's cordless, it's ultra powerful, and it'll map and clean your entire pool without you having to do anything. I love the era where we have robots doing our household chores for us. I am so here for it. Let's unbox. Bring vacation home, yes. We've got some papers, some documentations, a quick start guide. Oh, here it is. Here's the robot. Wow, oh man, this looks like a little RC car or something. This is so cool. Look at you. Look at this thing. It's like a little tank. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Looks like a little docking station, filters, power cable. All right, so I have everything unboxed. Now it's time to charge it up, download the app, and hit the pool. So now everything is all set up in the app. I put in the pool's dimensions and it's all synced, updated, and finally ready to go. So the first thing that it's telling me to do is put it in water. You'll see this little notification here that says device not in water. And as I go through the app settings, we have hero, floor, underwater, wall, waterline, skimming, multi-zone. So it's basically gonna be able to clean this entire pool while I watch it. The Aiper app is available on iOS and Android, and you'll get access to real-time monitoring and retrieval controls through the HydroComm Pro. This is the smart pool monitor and underwater communication device. Now to start cleaning, you just press the button and it'll flash for about 5 seconds. Once the light stays solid, you can place it in the pool vertically and it'll start working. It immediately begins scanning the pool with OmniSense Plus mapping using 40 sensors and ultrasonic scanning to learn the shape of your pool. Let's get it started and put it in the pool. Are you ready for your first dunk? I bet you can swim better than I can. Okay, in we go. Oh, something's happening. There it goes. Oh my gosh, it's moving around, it's moving around. So I set it to the skimming option. I don't know why I'm so excited about this, but oh, here it goes. Jeez. Look at this. It's going up the wall. Oh, this is so sick. Look at you, just doing your little job. Well, I'm just gonna sit back and relax and watch. Like, I can't believe this is working. Like, I mean, I'm not surprised that it's working, but still, when you see tech just work like it's supposed to, it is such a beautiful thing. Oh gosh, it's just such a hard day at work today. So let's talk about what makes this robot really stand out. First of all, the suction. This has the strongest suction on the market, 8,500 gallons per hour, powered by 9 brushless motors and a quad brush system. It pulls in up to 2,000 grams of sand, 800 grams of small stones, and 146 leaves per hour. So yeah, it's pretty powerful. The micro mesh filter system locks in even the finest particles like algae and sand, and it's so easy to clean and reuse. Just pop it out and rinse it with a hose. Now with the app, you can trigger retrieval mode called Homecoming Dock, and it'll surface and return to you within 3 meters of the entry points. No hooks, no reaching in. We have several different cleaning modes. First up, we have surface cleaning. You'll see the anti-leak baffle and vortex inlet working together to pull in floating debris, even massive leaves. Here we have floor cleaning. The robot uses a grid pattern on the floor, guided by FlexiPath 2.0, which adapts based on the pool's shape for full coverage. Using intelligent adaptive path planning based on the mapping results, the Scuba X1 Pro Max customizes cleaning paths for different pool shapes. Using grid pattern for floors and S shape for elevated platforms, this ensures a maximum cleaning coverage. Next, waterline and wall cleaning. Waveline tech cleans 5 centimeters above the waterline, and dual jet stabilization keeps it gripped to the wall, even scrubbing off oil stains and algae. This is also pretty cool. It can even tackle elevated platforms and stairs. It climbs stairs, avoids ladders, and will detect platform edges with anti-drop sensors so it doesn't go flying off. When it's done, you'll get a ping in the app. It'll flow to the surface for easy retrieval. Then you can dock it on the wireless charger, and this makes it so easy to use and maintain. So I've used a lot of smart tech before, especially home tech, but seeing a robot clean the pool while I sat and had a snack was pretty exciting. It's powerful, intelligent, cordless, and it's kind of weirdly satisfying watch it clean. Whether you're dealing with sandstorms, algae, or just trying to keep your pool pristine without spending hours doing it yourself, this thing's got you covered. All right, let's see what we've gotten here. So it's been cleaning for the last few hours. Look at this. We have gems. We may or may not have placed those in the pool for effect, but look at all the stuff that it got. There's leaves, there's stones, there's all kinds of little debris that it picked up. There's so much in here. That's crazy. Look at all of this. This looks like it just went through an aquarium. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of goodies in there. Some hair, dirt, leaves. Ugh. It's nice because you can just remove these filters and you can hose them off to make sure that they're clean for the next time. Look how clean this pool is. I am so impressed. This is such an incredible job. I was so surprised how much stuff we actually got out of the pool because it still looked clean, but wow, so much garbage was in there. Weird, I don't know how those gemstones or pink rocks got in there either. Weird. Anyway, if you want to get more information about the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max, I'll put a link in the description. Definitely check it out and let me know what you think. I'm gonna go back to working on my tan and watching us continue to clean the pool. So, see you later. Ah, so busy.